Welcome to our channel. Today, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to activate your PCH Final Code through the official website at www.pha.com/final. If you're eager to enter the exciting Publishers Clearinghouse Sweepstakes, follow these simple steps to ensure your entry is successfully submitted. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the activation process. Step 2. Navigate to the PCH Final Code page. In the address bar of your browser, type www.pha.com/final and hit enter. This will take you directly to the PCH Final Code entry page. Step 3. Locate the Final Code entry field. Once you're on the PCH Final Code page, look for the section where you can enter your final code. This is typically a text box labeled clearly for your convenience. Step 4. Enter your final code. Carefully input your unique final code into the provided text box. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears, without any extra spaces or incorrect characters. This is crucial for the system to recognize your entry. Step 5. Verify your code. After entering your final code, double-check to ensure it is accurate. Incorrect entries could lead to a failed submission, so take a moment to confirm that everything is correct. Step 6. Submit your entry. Once you've verified the accuracy of your final code, look for the Submit button, which may be situated below the entry field. Click on it to officially submit your entry into the sweepstakes. Step 7. Confirmation message. After submitting your final code, you should see a confirmation message on the screen. This message indicates that your entry has been successfully received. If you do not see this message, you may need to double-check your code or try submitting it again. Step 8. Enjoy the excitement. With your entry in the system, you can now sit back and await the results. Keep an eye on your email and any updates from Publishers Clearinghouse regarding the sweepstakes. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on activating your PCH Final Code. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy sweeping!